In this video, I'm going to show you how to use emojis in Roblox PC. So you can use either your PC emoji keyboard. So let's just go an example and try to chat with somebody. Let's just go to this guy and I'm just going to click on chat. So in here, I want to use the emotes. And as you can see, there is no emote icon that I can click on and use the emote. So in order to use emote, normally if you're on Windows, you can just click on the Windows key plus period or plus semicolon. So once you do so, you can click on this emojis option and you'll be able to choose which emoji you want to send. Maybe as an example, I'm just going to send this emoji. So of course, just click in here, make sure that you're clicked in there and just select the emojis that you want. Once you select it, click on send and you'll be able to send emojis to your friend, as simple as that. You can also use or copy and paste emojis from any websites. You can find that online and it's totally up to you. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.